Yeah, I can't get a different angle of it, unfortunately. Okay. By the way, this pond used to be much bigger. I think I mentioned that in the previous video I did here. This used to be the end of the waterfall. The pond used to come out to about there, I'd say, it'll go right against the waterfall and around up to where that fence starts to turn to the right, and around up to here. Yeah, that's just roughly. As you see, it now has an extension on it. It's now extended. It's now got a channel extension, whatever you want to call it. It comes out to the new pond. It comes out to the new pond, which is much smaller. Or at least they've made the pond much smaller than it used to be. A lot smaller than it used to be, anyway. And yeah, and also, it's not exactly forming much of a waterfall here. The pond's a bit full up, but it's still giving a nice water effect anyway. Yeah. Oh, that's it.